Hello and welcome back to the 9th video where we're going to make this arch bridge. This one's going to have a few more interesting tricks for us to learn. So we're going to close up this semi-cylinder and we should have a new untitled document to work with. So I'm going to build this from the front view, so create sketch and choose front view. And what I want us to do is pan a little bit so that I have this big area to work with. We're going to create a 2-point rectangle to start. Just kind of draw them randomly. And we're going to create a sketch dimension. This top is 2.313. And the left side, which would be the height of this shape, is 1.125. So far it looks great. What I want to do now is choose the center diameter circle. And we're going to follow this edge until I get to the midpoint. And the midpoint is when it turns into an X with a triangle above it. And I want you to click and just randomly drag it out and click again. I'm going to create a dimension. Choose this. And that diameter, I have a note here, the radius is 0.6875. The diameter is 1.375. And press enter. And again, I got that right from my note, or you could take your radius and you can double it. What we need to do though is trim this out. So take the scissors and we're going to cut the bottom and I'm going to cut this middle piece. But what you notice when that happens is I don't get to keep the shape. So I'm going to go back to create sketch dimensions and I'm going to choose this point and then I'm going to choose this point and go down and I'm going to type in 0.469, which is what it shows right here. Press enter and now every edge should be black. That means it's fully constrained and we can extrude. If you don't see this, pause the video and grab Mr. Nelson. Alright, finish sketch, press extrude, and this has a depth of 1.125. And there it is. I'm going to give it a little bit of color, physical material. This time I'm going to choose a metal, and let's choose brass. Brass. Click, drag it on, and close. The difference between physical appearance and material is that now this has all the properties as though it was made out of brass, versus the other one, it's just painted or looks like that color. Alright, let's save this. This is number 9, Arch Bridge. As all of these, it's saved in 1.2 Part 2 building blocks. Time to take a screenshot, Windows Shift S. Click and drag. Right click. Or however you want to paste. There we go. Things are going in the right direction. Moving on to number 10.